Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. Now this is a video for tutorial number 3. Okay, as usual, when you get a question, you need to identify which is a personal name and which is a business name. So let's begin. For number 1 is Professor Dr. Aiman Turish, PhD, is a personal name. Okay. Mr. Louis Chong, also a personal name. Mr. Freddy Dollar Saver, okay, this is a business name. Okay, why? Because there is a dollar and also saver. So it's a business name. Ustazah Bahya is a personal name, but here this is a call name. So we call a call name, call personal name. So number 5 is Professor Dr. Kenji Hidoshi, is a personal name. Mr. Maribel Seward Morales is a personal name. Miss Siti Fatima Marlina AMT, also a personal name. Madam Change T. Jonathan CKO is also personal name. Mrs. Angeli Atkinson Lloyd is a personal name. Mr. Mario Van Dam Dong CRM is personal name. The D Angle Pizza House is a business name. Number 12, Professor Letter Carmen is a business name. And number 13 is Mr. Rossi Almaria, PhD, is a personal name. So we're done for the first part. Now let's divide from the filing segment to the filing units. So here this is a personal name. So we divide the filing segment to know how many units that we have. Professor Dr. Aiman Turish, PhD. So basically here, okay, there is what we call the three part in this name. Okay, the three part in this name. Okay, why I see the three part? Because, alright, Aiman Turish is a full name for that individual name. Meanwhile, professor and doctors is referred as a title, and PhD is referred as suffixes. Okay, if we can look back with our slide, okay, regarding on the what we call it as a title and also suffixes. Here, titles and suffixes. Okay, the titles are divided into 3. We have professional titles, courtesy titles, and also the religious titles. Meanwhile, for the suffixes is a seniority suffix and also professional suffix. So in a business name, when you have a title and also suffixes in the personal name, what you need to do is that you need to index the title last, okay, with the full personal name. However, if let's say the names containing the suffixes, so it will be the name, you need to index the name first and then continue with the seniority suffix and then continue with the professional suffix, and lastly is a title. So here you need to know the seniority suffix and professional suffix. So here professional as you can see here, supposedly seniority suffix come first and a professional suffix come first. So seniority suffix is like divided into 2, numeric and alphabetic. Numeric is 1, 2, 3, alphabetic is GR, SR, while the professional suffix will be CRM, MD, PhD. Alright, so here remember, index the name first, the full name first, and then continue with the suffixes, okay, which is seniority first and professional, and continue lastly with the title. So based on this input, what we can see that here, okay, after we do the we determine the full name here, Aiman Turish, okay, so Aiman Turish, okay, so here is a considering of this as a Aiman as a key unit. Okay, Aiman a key unit. Cherish is a unit number 2. And then the suffixes will be PhD. Okay, and here there is a 2 title, Professor, Doctor. So it will be arranged in alphabetical order, which is this number 4 and this is number 5. The second question is also personal name. So let's divide into units. Oh, before that, don't forget the period here we need to disregard, and also here. Okay, we need to disregard. Alright, so the second question, we come back for second question. Louis Chong is a personal name. Okay, Louis Chong. So the key unit, we consider it as a unusual name. So it's like a English name. So Chong will be the key unit. Okay, Louis is a unit number 2. Alright, and this is unit number 3, and this is unit number 4. So we'll be delete for this one, and also this one, comma. Okay, the next one is a business name. Okay, we divide into units. So for business names, it's very simple, from the left to the right. So this is a key unit, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. Next one, Ustazah Bahya. Ustazah Bahya is a personal name. However, it's not a complete name. Complete name means that they only have Bahya and they don't have a father's name. So that we consider it as a call name. Okay, call name for the personal name. So for the personal call name, we will index from the left to the right. So key unit, unit 2. The second question number 5. Okay, so again from the filing segment, we divide into a filing unit. Alright, so this is unusual name. We considering as unusual name, so we will index as an English name. So here, as you can see here, Kenji Hideshi is a full name. Alright, so how you are going to do the indexing for this? So Hideshi is a key unit, Kenji is unit number 2. So Professor Doctor, for the this is a title, so you index last, but you need to arrange in alphabetical order D and also B. So D will come first. This is number 3 and this is number 4. Alright. The next one is a Mrs. Maribel's Seward Morales. This is a personal name. So we divide from the filing segment to the filing units. So here, Seward Morales, kita delete for the hyphen and we will close it up. It will close it up. So here, I will highlight for you. Okay, for the full name, the name is Maribel Seward Morales. So we need to do the indexing for the full name first. Okay, this will be title, will be the last. Remember, title will be the last for the personal name. So Seward Morales as key unit, Maribel is unit number 2, and Mrs. will be unit number 3. The next one, Miss Siti Fatima Marlina, EMN. Okay, this is a personal name. Okay, we divide into units. Alright. Okay, what is the full name for this? Okay, Siti Fatima Marlina. Okay, so here, let's do for the full name first. Okay, remember here, we need to do the index the name first. Okay, so here, Siti Fatima Marlina. Okay, for Malay name, we index from the left to the right. So Siti is a key unit, Fatima is unit number 2, Marlina is unit number 3. And then, okay, we will index the suffixes. Okay, suffixes here is actually at the back of the full name. So AMN will be number 4. Why? Because this is number 3, this is number 4, and title will be number 5. Next is a personal name. Again, we divide from the filing segment to the filing units. Alright, like this. Okay, alright. Don't forget to delete for this one here, the period. Okay, so here the full name is this one. Okay, James T. Jonathan. This is a full name. So here we will do the indexing for the full name first. So for the English name, the last name will be as the key unit. First name will be unit number 2, and the middle initial or middle name will be unit number 3. Alright, and continue with that. Remember, like mentioned here, after you do the indexing for the name, then you will do the suffixes, then followed by the title. So this is a suffixes, this is a title. So suffixes will come right after number 3, this is number 4, and this one is number 5. Alright, next one. Okay, again from the filing segment to the filing units. This is personal name. There's a hyphen here, you need to delete, and then you need to close it up. Alright, and the names included the title here. So what we need to do is that we will do the indexing for the full name first. So let's redo it. So the English name, the last name will be the key unit, and the first name will be unit number 2. In this case, we don't have a middle name or middle initial. So this is a title, will be the last one, which is unit number 3. Okay, the next one is a Mr. Mario. There is a unit here. We have a Van Dan Dom CRM. Okay, Van Dan is actually what we call it as a articles. Okay, let's have a look with this line. Okay, here. Okay, we have a Van Dan. Okay, what will happen if we have these articles and particles? So what we will do is that we will combine an articles or particle in a personal name or business name with the part of the name following it to form one filing unit. For example, La is what we call as a particle. So it's a combining with Saleh. Does we have a Saleh here? No. So it will combine the La with the Saleh. Alright, so it's formed as a La, Saleh as a one unit. In this case, okay, Van Dan is what we call the articles and particles. So we need to combine with the DOMs. So we make up as a one unit. Alright, so we come back here. We need to do the highlight for the full name. So the full name is a Mario Van Dan Dom. Okay, so let's redo the indexing for the full name first. So in the English name, the last name is, which is this one, the last name, okay, as a key unit, and the first name as unit number 2. Okay, what is a CRM? CRM is one of examples of the suffixes. Alright, this is a suffixes. So it's become as suffixes will come first, and the last one will be title. So meaning that after you do the indexing for the full name, then it will follow with the suffixes, and then it follow with the title. So this one number 3, and this one is number 4. Okay, question number 11 is a business name. Okay, we need to do the division here. Okay, so we have the apostrophe here. We need to delete and combine as a one unit. That's why it's in a one unit. Alright, so English name, so per business name, you need to index from the left to the right. However, there is a the. Okay, there is a the here. Okay, what means by the? Okay, the, if you look back in the rule number, okay, if I can show to you, rule number 2, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Yes, rule number 2. Rule number 2 stated that minor words and the symbols in the business name, okay, at which the minor words in the business name you will consider as a separate unit. For the symbol, you need to consider spelled in a full. So there is a minor words like the is one of the articles. So the, if it's pop up as a first name, okay, you need to consider as the last unit. So here, this will become as a last unit. So we consider the next is a key unit, unit 2, unit 3, and this one is unit 4.